Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's a I won't say it's too big, but I did pick up a lot of stuff. A little bit of Easter stuff, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But before I get into that, okay, so recently I did a video with the one and only Sensational Finds. We did a $1 swap box, but we put $25 worth of items in each other's box and we sent them to each other. So it was like a mystery box, and apparently a lot of you left comments and stuff of how you would love to get a box or any, you know, just something like that, and you don't know what's in it, so it's like a mystery box. So what I've decided to do is I am going to, it's empty right now, but this large USPS box, I am going to fill this with not just anything from the Dollar Tree, but a lot of my favorites. I'm going to say a lot of it. About 90% of it will be my favorites. And it will be put into this box. You won't know what's in this box, but it will be shipped to one winner. Now, depending on how this goes, I'll probably do this a little more often because I do like sending out stuff, but I can't just pinpoint one person, because I mean, a lot of you were like, can I shop for you? Can you send me money? Can I send out stuff? That's doing a lot. It's kind of hard to do that. So I just figured this would be a good way for me to send you guys that support my channel some goodies that you don't even know what's in the box. How fun is that? It's always fun to get some stuff you don't even know what's in the box, but believe it will be good stuff. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. So if you want to join into this giveaway, the rules will be super easy. I will have them listed down below, but it's 4 simple rules. 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. 2, thumbs up this video. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video or this kind of giveaway. 3, share my video on any kind of platform. It could be Instagram, Facebook. You can copy the link down below and send it to a family member just so that they'll watch the video. I don't know. Just make sure you share the video. And 4, leave me a comment and let me know what one of your Dollar Tree wish list items is. And I will be looking at that. If I can and you are the winner, I will try to get that into this box. But yeah, so that's the 4 rules. They'll be linked down below, and that'll be it. This giveaway will probably go for about 2 weeks, but like I said, all that information will be down below because I don't have the dates and stuff in front of me. So I hope you guys enjoy whoever wins. I hope you enjoy what I put in this box, because I have a lot of stuff already accumulated to go in here, as well as some of the stuff I picked up today. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into my haul. So the first things that I picked up were these fur flops. It says make your feet happy. These are super cute. I love the little zebra print on them. So I picked myself up the size, it says large 9 through 10. They had different sizes, so be careful if you pick these up. And I just thought these would make really cute little shower shoes, or if you want to carry these with you when you go get your pedicures or whatever, these will be perfect. They are soft and, you know, fuzzy. So I picked these up for myself, and then I picked up these for my daughter, and they're like a camouflage. They had some other colors. I will put the pictures at the end of the video, but I picked her up these pink and green and black and white kind of camouflage color, and this size is a 7 through 8. And then I also picked up another pair which is a 7 through 8, and it's another camouflage color, and I thought those colors were super cute. And the bottoms are black on all of them, but I just thought these were cute, so I grabbed these. Now you guys know I cannot resist a cup, so I saw this one and I had to pick it up, and it says strong is the new pretty, and I just thought this was really cute. And it's black and gold and white, and it does say it on both sides. So I did pick that up, and they had a couple other ones that I hadn't seen before, but this was the only one that I grabbed. Next, I saw these cute backpack tags. They look like this. They have the clear like strap on the end, and then on the other side you can write your name, address, sorry for that glare, your name, address, and city and county on it. And they're kind of big. They are kind of big, but I just thought they were too cute, and you can use this for other stuff probably if you choose to. But I just picked up those because I thought they were cute. And then I also saw these, and I had to pick them up because they are some pom-pom clips. and they look like pineapples, and I just love the way they have the split pom-pom color on it, like yellow and pink. I think that is so cute. I don't know if there's any other colors, but these were the this was the only combination that I saw, was the pink and the yellow with the glitter like top on it. So these are super cute, and you can attach these to whatever you like. So I grabbed 2 of them. Okay, so I saw some new stationery, but I had never seen this. I don't know if this has been out or if it's new. It is definitely new to me, and I picked this up to actually go in the giveaway because I don't need these, but I just thought they were too cute to pass up. So you have this Farm Fresh, and I don't want to take it out the package, but as you can see, there is a metallic silver pig at the top, and it says Farm Fresh, and it has the flap that you can flip up, and it has like this faux like wood grain on it, and I just thought that was super cute. It says it has 60 sheets. And then this one says home on the front. Uh-oh. There it is. And it looks like that. And it has the plaid up the middle. And then this part right here has that little wreath. And it says home is, I believe it says home is where the heart is, because I can't see it behind that green patch. But this is super cute. And it has the little faux wood on the front as well. And it has 60 sheets. Then they had the magnetic list pad, which has a cow on the top, and it's in that cream and black color. They also had this desk pad with a pen. Looks like that, with the checkered pen, and the bottom part looks like faux wood. And the top says bless this house. Super cute. And then this journal is in a world where I can be anything, always stay humble and kind. And this is a journal. And then I also saw this cute little printed feather pen like this, and it reminds me of, like, I guess back in the days when people used to write with, you know, calligraphy with the pen on the top. But my daughter loves birds and feathers and stuff, so I did pick up this pen for her. They had some kitchen towels out that I thought was super cute. This one is frozen margarita, and it has the ingredients for frozen margarita, and it's green and blue. And is it the same? No, I didn't even know. Okay, I didn't even know that. So this side shows frozen margaritas, and it tells you everything you need to put in it and how to do it and everything. That is so cute. And then on this side, it's a margarita on the rocks. And so how cool is that? So you got 2 different recipes on a towel. So I picked that up, and then they also had this one. And I thought that was super cute, and it says can't touch this with the cactuses on it, and it's the same on both sides, so I grabbed those. And speaking of margaritas, they did have some margarita socks, or tequila socks, or whatever you want to call these. I believe it's tequila. It looks like a little shot glass that has something yellow in it or brown color, and then it has salt shakers and some lime. So to me that says tequila shots. So you guys know I have to pick up socks when I see them. Some of them I left. There was some other ones I didn't pick up, but I did pick up these. I have a few more. I did get the cute takeout box ones. These are super cute with the fortune cookie on it, and the takeout boxes, and the noodles, and the chopsticks. And yes, these are men's socks, but that doesn't bother me at all. And then these cute little dog socks, and they're all over. I love that green kind of color on those. Super cute. Then I think they had these 2 years ago, I want to say. I remember some popcorn socks, but I don't remember. I don't know. So anyways, I picked these up. Cute little popcorn socks. These are crew socks. I got the ones with the cute little eye designs on them, and you get 2 pairs in this pack, and so you get that one, and then you get a gray pair with the pink toe on that. And then these French fry ones. So then these, I love this cactus print on that one, and it's gray with the pink on the second pair, and those are crew socks. And there's 2 more pair. And then I got these cactus, super pretty colors. Look at that with the pink. I love those. And then you get that as the second pair. And the last pack that I got is some fried chicken. They had a different pair of fried chicken socks in the past, and I do have those too. These got the little drumsticks all over. That looks like the KFC bucket. So I had to pick up those, and yeah. So before I jump into the stickers and the Easter stuff, which will be the end of this haul, I did see these in the makeup section, and they're by they say Pro Selection, and you get 30 wipes in here. I've never seen these before in the Dollar Tree. So it's just some makeup remover wipes. I went ahead and picked those up. Now, I saw a few more stickers, and I grabbed them. I thought these were cute. The little elephants with the glitter ear. Adorable. And then I also picked up this pack. Same, but it's just a bird with the glitter little feathers on those. I thought those were cute. Then I saw this wall sticker. I don't know if my daughter's gonna want this, but somebody I know will want that. Look at her face. Cute little unicorn with the eyelashes and everything right there. Super cute. So it looks like that. And you get the flowers and everything. And her ears and all the rest of the stuff is on the back. So I had to pick that up. Like I said, I picked it up thinking my daughter would use it, but I don't know. Then on Instagram, my buddy Hackerdoodle, she showed these on her Instagram account, and I hadn't seen them, but I seen them today. And she found these cute sticker books, and it has over 150. And what I like about this is on this front page, it has the puffy stickers. So you get all these puffy stickers. Now look down here, you get these tabs that show you what's next. So behind the puffy ones, you got glitter stickers, and they're glittery. And then the next one, it says foil. That's super cute. Can you see those? Yeah. And then the last one is glossy. And they're like a set of glossy stickers. And these are some cute stickers in this book. And so you get over 150. These were by the front registers. They were not in the stationery aisle. And then I also saw this one that she showed, and it's the same thing with the tabs at the bottom, but these are the stickers that you get right there. Cute for summer. I love the ones that say tropic like it's hot and pink is the new black. Everything they trying to do, everything is the new black. Okay, we get it, you guys. So then you got this. Those are the glitter ones, and then you got the foil ones coming up. Super pretty. And then you got this one right here. This book reminds me of the ones that you can find at the Target dollar spots. They always have the cute little books of stickers. And then the last book, yes, I got was Wonder Woman. I had to get the Wonder Woman ones. I love Wonder Woman. I got the puffy stickers on the front, and then I'll just show you the glitter ones, and then we'll be done with these. And then you have a bunch of glitter Wonder Woman, and then you have the foil and the glossy as well. So I picked up those 3 books, and then the last couple things that I picked up was Easter, and then we'll be done with this. Okay, so we'll start with the signs, and the first one that I picked up was this one. It says welcome to our patch. I think this is so cute. It has the little metal at the top, and it looks like that. Really, really cute. I just like the carrots on that. I thought that was so cute. And then this one is Easter greetings, and I love the little hat on it, and I love the colors of it and everything on that one. So I picked up that. Now these are new. I never seen these in Dollar Tree before. These are so cute, and these are, I picked up 2 packs. I'll show you the one. These are some little I don't know why it says clip. Let me see. It says, oh, it says includes a clip. I don't see a clip in here. Sorry, I'm just looking at it. I don't see a clip in here, but it looks, these are some carrots. I'm trying to get that glare away from it, the bag. But they look like that. Love these. Not sure why it says clip. There's a clip included. I don't see, oh. Okay, there, it's like a wire or something that goes across the top. I don't know what for yet, but you can use these on all kinds of stuff. These are some cute decor. I also grabbed 2 egg garlands because I had to get these. They are adorable. I love these, and I think they had these the year before last year, if not last year as well. And these are cute because they come with little beads in between the eggs and everything. So those can be moved around. And so I picked up 2 of these. Then I saw the craft bottles, which they had out for Valentine's Day. And you can do crafts in these or whatever. And it's just a cute little jar with the top. And like I said, I seen them for Valentine's Day and I didn't pick one up. I don't know why all of a sudden I felt like I wanted one. They added a different label, so they made it an Easter label now. But they had this cute little picture on it where they put some little grass in the bottom, some little eggs, and a little bunny in there. And I was thinking, okay, I didn't want to do anything with these for Valentine's Day, but maybe I'll do something with one for Easter. So that's why I picked this up. I picked up 2 banners. This one says Hello Spring right here. Really cute. And it says Hello Spring on that. So it says you get 2 pieces. So the hello, it's not all together, the hello, and then you get the spring. So you can put them on top of each other or next to each other. That's cute. And then I also picked up this tassel garland. And it has tassels on it, and it has flowers like this. There's different color flowers. So you'll get one like this, you get a blue one, and then it has tassels in there as well. And as you can see, all the different pastel colors in there. I thought that was cute. And then the last things was some stickers. Let's see, I picked up 2 of these. So these are duplicates. And they're just some super cute little bunny stickers. Look at them. And the little chicks. I thought those were cute. So I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up 2 of these, which are some eggs. So there's 2 back there. And so those. Then these cute little puffy style like bunny rabbits. And they look like that. And the last pack is, these are like a foil kind of, but the rabbits have like rainbow color on them. So that was, and so that was it for my haul. Now the last thing I'm going to show you, real random, this giant cup. It's a giant cup that I got from 99-cent store. I know it didn't come from Dollar Tree, but I had to show you because it was the only thing I picked up. And I really like the way that looks. Look at that. And it says freeze the ice core in the middle. So there's an ice core. And this was a $2.99 item, but look at how big that is. And they had like a pearl color, and they also had a pink color. But I love that. And this is going to be for me to remember to drink more water. I drink a lot of water, but I could drink more. So I picked this up solely for a water cup. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul and my giveaway that I am super excited by. I know for a fact it's gonna go for about 2 weeks. So you guys got time, and then depending on, like I said, how it goes, I may do it again. So if you don't win it, don't worry. And then you guys, I'm almost close to reaching my goal, which it never set out. I never set out to have a goal of, like, it was never a number game to me, like with YouTube. But I can't help but to notice that I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers or friends. I call you guys my friends. And I'm just super excited by that. Like, I cannot even believe that. Like, that is so crazy for me. And so if you don't win this giveaway, please don't worry. I'm trying to plan and think of a really nice giveaway for when I hit my 100,000 subscriber. But we're not gonna get into that because YouTube for me is more than just numbers. It's you guys, and I love that you guys are here and you guys come back and you watch my videos and you guys comment. So it's always a way for me to say thank you. I love doing giveaways. You guys know I've been doing them a lot over the years. So yeah, so good luck to whoever wins this one. The winner will be announced on my channel, and I'm gonna quit running my mouth. Stay tuned. I think I got some pictures I'm gonna put up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.